What does this fall under? What? I thought he was taking it private. My understanding is that he was switching. I don't know what to put this under. I don't know if I should put this under education. I'm pretty sure this goes under education. Okay, let's save that. Oh, we got 4 viewers there. All right, so it looks like, whoa, wait a minute. It says the stream is offline. Wait a minute. That's the bueno. Did it come up on TikTok? Let's see if it'll let me go live. No, sweet. Let's see if it'll let me on. Oh, I think we are streaming on TikTok now. We are live on TikTok. Ah, look at that. Well, okay, so we could take this off. Oh, this is gonna be good. Hopefully I don't have to keep toggling that thing on and off. That's really what I want to get to, is I don't want to have to be toggling the start on that. And don't forget, guys, all information here is educational, so please do your due diligence. There is a possibility that you could lose money in the market, and the likelihood is higher that you will lose money in the market. So please, if you're using live funds in the market, make it money that you're willing to lose. Oh wow, we had like 29 views in the prior video. That's right, Goober. So the only thing I gotta figure out now is, why does it say it's offline? Hmm. see the chat. That's cool. Yes. The only chat I don't see is nobody on TikTok or Twitch. Sorry. Market's still dumping. So I gotta figure out is how to add X. That's the one I need to add. Okay. Now let me select which channel I want to stream on. Otherwise, I'm going to be on my channel. Yeah, that'll be great because then I'll be able to have even the X chat in one window. So I need to remove this. How do I remove that? Oh, there we go. Removed. Boom. Oh, we could do bots? Oh, that's cool. Did not know that. Let's see here. Which one of these is it? Ah, got it. So I need to, let's see if we can do this. Nice drop on gold. Oh man, that is a nasty sell on gold. Okay, so let me sign out of my X account. Oh, perfect. Okay. Now I can do this. There we go. Boom. Okay. So let's do that. Okay. Now will that work? Setting data. And we are in. We're in all the channels now. Let's go. Team's gonna like. I'm gonna like this. This will make my life easy. All right, let's get rid of this one. We don't need that. Max profit. Exactly, my friend. And that should be it. That should be it. Be nice if my response was Subzani. I don't even want to know what those 612s. Oh my God, those 612s are worth $540 right now. I'd have made $1,500 off of those contracts alone. What a coulda, shoulda. Instead, I'm stuck with 27 bucks for the day. Ugh. It's not, man. It's not okay, broski. Oh man. Wow, Bitcoin crossing 158. This could be a long opportunity on Bitcoin. This is the June low. What a shame, man. It almost always seems like I always miss those. I get to talk about all those kind of crazy longs. I mean, that could have been thousands of dollars, not just a few bucks. Sickening. What a shame. What a shame. Almost at 25K. I mean, if we got to bounce, it's got to be here. Otherwise, you'll probably make your way down into 976. Oh, and we are live on TikTok now. Let's go. I see you there, Big Papa. There in chat. Let me see. Do I see that in my tool here? Let's see. I don't see the chat. I wonder why I don't see the... I wonder why I don't see the chat for TikTok. Make sure to join the live and share. All right, Greg Dane. So is it correct that with BluSky you can trade up to 10 minis in a 50K account, but when funded you can only trade one mini until 1.5K in profit? No, it depends on the size of the account and the type of account you get. So like if you get a launch plan, if you get a static, they each will have their own rules. So what I would probably recommend is to look at the plan that you're interested in. If you have specific questions about the plan that you're interested in buying, I would highly recommend that you open a support ticket in the BluSky Pro portal. Once you do that, you can ask a specific question to the account that you're interested in buying, so that you can make sure that you're specifically clear and the account that you purchase falls within what you'd like, the way you trade, and how you trade. Good luck. Hope that answers your question and helps you. Am I gonna run goaded? I should. I will be later this afternoon. Depends on how I feel. Yeah, no problem. Let's see. Now I gotta log out of this account. Because I don't want to get this out. Yes. Oh. Let's see. Need my. Oh. Okay. Who's that? Boost your account security. Oh, I can do that later. Okay, let me make sure I can get into that. Is chat enabled on this? Oh, we got 10 views on YouTube on X. And if you viewers there next are interested in joining our Discord, please stop on in. There's a link there in the chat below. Oh, and I can see the chat here too. Oh, I am so loving this. Can I launch a standalone chat? That would be sick. If I could just have the chat by itself. That's really what I want. Chat is ready to display messages. Okay, yeah, I can see it there now. Not too much money, just enough that it could. Yeah. Oh, thanks, Zani. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Gold is at my breakout level. Just tested 4,150. See, I think this will work. Zero lag 2. Let's see here. Let's see if that actually works. Pretty sure this will work without a login. Oh, it will work. Okay, great. We don't need that Zonic. We're not losing money today, broski. Yeah, this is gonna be great. Funded. There's always hope, General. The day is young. You know, we got 12 minutes till the top of the hour. Man, I can't believe those Oh man, those 615s are like 10 cents right now. You know, like George Michael said, you gotta have faith. Man, what a monstrous day. This would have been a beautiful day to make a good amount of money. I have to wait next week for another good trend day. I have to wait till like next Tuesday or Thursday. I gotta work out some bots.
It's Paul Remus again, still not legally a guru. And on the galactic line, we have Debbie.
Hey, hon.
Welcome. Welcome to the show. Today we have a special offer, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, some might say. From the makers of Now You, the revolutionary life hack that brought you instant transformation, comes the next big thing in personal evolution.
What's the next big thing?
Are you tired of feeling tense, stiff, and frustrated with your body? Does the idea of bending and stretching sound like a foreign language to you?
I mean, yeah, I could definitely be more flexible.
Well, have no fear. Introducing
Let's see what's happening across the intraweb. Since I am done now with the setup of the streams, I think I only have like 1 or 2 more streams to get connected. I think we just need a Facebook and who would be the last one? Maybe Rumble. I think that those would be the 2.
Okay, I'm intrigued. What do the classes include?
Feel the tension melt away as you move through our 17 beginner poses, including chair pose for people who hate chairs, corpse pose, but with more confidence, the world famous half moon pose, because who needs a full moon anyway? And the myth busting, it's just a myth pose. You literally don't need to remove a rib to stretch deeper. Trust us, it's just a myth.
You don't actually need to remove a rib.
Hey Mike, how's it going? Welcome to the stage.
Exactly. No rib removal required, just pure, creamy goodness.
Okay, that sounds awesome. What else do I get?
If you call now, we'll throw in our exclusive Namaste Now, Stretch Later self-massage kit free. That's right, absolutely free. Don't wait for your inner peace to find you. Create it now. Call 1.
Hey Mike, how's it going? Welcome to the stage, sir. How are you doing today?
Just 30 days. You'll be so relaxed, you'll forget
Oh, you're funny.
Anybody hear me? Okay, you guys can probably hear me now because I think I fixed it. Okay. So if you hear me in the chat, well, how you doing, Chris? Okay, so basically, guys, just want to come on and say hi to everybody. How are you guys doing today? Something on my Discord page. I'm like, what is that? You know, I don't need that shit up there. Okay. Can't hear you.
Well, Mike, we can't hear you, sir. You sound very low.
I can't hear Riz or it's like you're talking from your kitchen. So you're.
Let me raise your volume.
You're live with me, so you should be hear me. Strange. Is it loud or not loud enough? Is that better right there?
I've got you cranked up on 200% on my side right now. Yeah, I can barely hear. I can hear you, but it still sounds very low, sir.
Yeah, it's. Hang on a second. How about now? You guys hear me? How about talk, Riz? I can hear you, it's like you're way low. It's weird. And boom. How about now, guys?
Oh, perfect. There you are. Much better. We can hear you clearly, Mike. Thank you.
Okay, good. So you guys can hear me now. Good deal. Okay, guys. So basically, I'm hoping it still works. Okay, good. So what are we looking at to make the money right now? Okay, so we know what we're looking at. So right now, guys, if you're looking at the 25.56, okay? So let's go over here and let's see if I can do this. What the hell is going on here? Well, you don't have a place for. Okay, never mind. You don't want to be share, so whatever. 25.56, guys. 25056.75. Okay, 25.56.75 is the key to going up. Now, where's that down key at? Down here, guys, mark on your chart. Mark on your chart 25.36. Okay, if it drops 25.36, these guys are going to try to short it. If it goes to 25.56, watch them try to run it here. Okay, watch these guys try to rebound on this thing. So we'll see. But these are the two levels that we need to worry about right now. Now, what's the halfway point? Well, 36, 46, 56 is 20 points. So what does that tell you? 46 is the halfway. So if the bulls are above 46, they're going to try to push to 56. Like you just seen right there. See it? There you go. 56.64. Now what's the goal here? The goal is to get the breakout to push to where? Your target on that push is going to be 79. You've got to break 79 and 80 up there. Okay? 79.50, man, is a perfect target off of 56. Okay? So if we can get 56 to run right here, this is a beautiful trade. Things are going great, Nacho. So we want 56 to run to 79. Now remember, the pullback is 56. However, we want to get that 79 target if we can possibly see it come up right here. All right? This is something I want to jump in with you guys for like an hour and just kind of help out a little bit and have some fun with you. You know, it's great. And she will. She'll pull back. I don't know. This is crazy. I don't know if this one. Okay, what's going on here with this? I know what it is. It keeps beeping, guys, because it's got my headset. Is there you go. There's my wire. Headset is on. Okay, it's on. I just had a little problem there. Okay, 56 going back to 79. Now watch 79 right here, guys. Watch. So you hit 79, but can we get 81 to break? Now the levels have changed. The Bears are going to change their level now to 62, guys. 62 and under is bear levels. Okay, anything above 81 is a bull level. So look at 62 and say, well, are they going to short at 62 or are they going to bounce off 62? See this short at 62? There you go. So you're trying to come down, but it'll bounce back to 62 every single time, guys, right here. Watch 62. If you can get the short at 62, that's great. But I don't think it's going to happen. I think what they're going to do is fake this short. They could come down some here, though. But look, if you can get 10 points out of this, it's a beautiful move. But remember, 62 is your pullback, okay? 62 is always going to be your pullback. So if we can get 62 to revamp off 62 to 81, it's a beautiful trade. But what's half of 62 and 81, right? 61 to 81 is 20 points again. So that makes 71, 72 is going to be your middle. Mark your middle at 72. Mark your high at 81. Mark your low at 62 on your chart. And there she comes. See? Boom. 62 short, down to 49. Come on. Now, will we break this or are we going to keep going, right? The key is to try to get these bears. These bears would love to come back down here to what we call 56 or 36. Okay? I don't know what that is. There's something beeping in here. Hang on, guys. I got something that's throwing something off. I got a loud beep going on. What is that? Where is it? Oh, I see it. Hang on.
Sounds like a UPS.
Well, I lost screens on this one, so I don't. That's kind of weird. Anyway, it's all good. Hope I didn't screw up my stuff. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Hang on a second. I got all this new stuff in here from the trade room we're making, and it is an absolute. Since that thing just kicked off, I have no idea what just happened there. It's like a power surge, and I can't even get my charts to come back up. Come on. The top part of the chart's not. Let me show the top part of the chart. Unreal. Hang on.
All right, team, we are 10 minutes into the top of the hour. Looks like NQ might be finding a base here at support at 25K. We've got a 4-hour support at 25,027. Taking along here right now. See if we can get an end of day, little bit of a recovery here on the market. Congrats, General, on that. Doesn't look like the Bulls can get it, though. We got to get over that 9 EMA. It's almost like where my entry is here on this NQ long. Oh, I want to get wicked out of this. Still testing that 4-hour support. Doesn't look like the Bears can take it, though. They're trying, though. Ugh. Sorry to hear that, General. feel you on that. Yeah, I picked up the 614 calls on QQQ, hoping for that mean reversion, but I mean, those contracts are just getting smoked now. I don't think we'll get that high. I don't know if we'll get that high. It doesn't look like the bulls want to give it to us. That's for sure. It sure would be nice, though. I took calls for next Friday, 615. Yeah, it's just too expensive, man. Nah, I can't afford to buy that. It's just out of my budget. I mean, if I won today, and I would, it would be interesting, but we'll see though. Looks like the Bulls are trying though. They're not giving up. Hey Mike, welcome back to the stage.
I just seriously got lag or something going on. I don't know what it is, guys. I've been trying to work on this lag issue, and it's like, wow, what's going on over here, man? But it seems like it's doing pretty good now. But okay, so there. Hope you guys can hear me now. So basically, guys, we are looking at now a whole nother ball game since we got that little short right there. So I'm just trying to figure out what's going with this lag here today. I don't get it. It's like since we put this new system in, it's like just really kind of creepy laggy. Okay, so anyway, your new level's 30. What is that? 38 now? Yeah, 38 north. So 38 north is the new level for the Bulls, and they're going to try to see if they can just get past. They're going to have to pass where? They're going to have to get past the 62. So 38-62 is where the Bulls want to be, right? So that's exactly what they're trying now. So remember, 38 is that 38 pullback level is going to be where the Bears will take it back, okay? And then the bear low down here is going to be somewhere around, oh, it's actually going to be about 19. Nope, maybe a little lower. Let's go back and look. 18. So we'll say 18. So 18 one side, and you got 36 on the other. So that's what we're looking at right now. So if we can get past the 38, we would need to see if we can make this work or not. But these are what they're trying to do. They're just trying to establish this area. See how to get to 38 right here, guys, but they don't hold it very long. See, they want that 38 right there. See, 38 didn't hold. See, you're in your back. So you might as well say 19 down there. I think it's actually going to be 20, but we're going to go look again. No, it's 18. It is 18. You might even go 17 on it. I'd say 18 though. So 18 and 36 are the two levels. You've got to get past 36 here, 38. So they need to stay. The Bulls have to maintain that 38 level. Right here. Yep, 38.25. So 38.25, guys, on one side of it, and then the other side is 18. So if you're looking at 38, that's where the Bulls try to go along at 38. The bulls want to go to 38 to 62 if they can, but if they don't, they will revert back to 38, and the bears will try to take this down back to 18. 18, 28, 38, 20 points, right? So what does that tell you? 28 is the midline. 28 is where it has to stay above for the bulls to try to hold it, and 28 below is where the bears try to take it down to the 18. So now you know the top, mid, and low. Now this is a pretty good way to trade, especially if we get big run moves. You can jump on one of these and just absolutely make 30, 40, 50 points in a matter of seconds. And I like this, and it's easy to learn. So right now we're just trying to get this thing to fade back into this 62 up here, because what we'd like to do is see 62 explode and go all the way to where? Our top target, which is 81 again, 81, 82. So they're trying to get this to revert back to 62 to push it back to 82, okay? Now, if we get the breakout at 82, we can really make some money. But right now, we can't. So we just got to stay above the 38 and hold. And here he comes. See this? Are we going to get 62, guys? Let's see. Easy trade. Look at that. Boom. 62 right there. Now, can we hold 62? 62 is kind of a pullback, right? So now your levels change. Your breakout level has now changed because of this move. So where do we need to look for now, guys, in this market? We need to be looking at 65. 65 to go long and 45 to go short, okay? There it is, 65. Boom. Can we get 65 to hold and keep running to 82? That's the question. You've got to get 65 to 82. If we don't, we're going to revert back. So now what the bears are doing now, they're going to be using 65. They're going to be using 75 now as a top, 77. Now the bears are going to move their stops to 57. So you got 57 bears, and you've got the tops of these at 77. So anything above 78, guys, consider 78 trying to go back to 82. Anything lower than that goes back to 55. Okay, I hope you can understand what I'm saying. So if you just take three little lines on your chart, there you go. Look at this, 82 right there. Boom. Can we now get past the 82 and a hold? Because now we're going to need 82 that's going to turn into 86. We need 86 in continuation here, and we need 65 low. So if a bear's getting 65, watch out for bears trying to short you, or watch 65 try to revert back into 86, okay? So 86, 65. You're looking for 86 and 65, that's it. You don't care what, unless you're just holding for the long. You know, the big long we had down there at the 38 level. So 38, 62, 81 hit. So we got all the way to, what, 86? So 38, 48, 58, 68, 78. That's like 50 points. 88, almost 60 points, guys. It's like a 55-point move right there we just took. See, now you got to watch 66 low. If it don't go to 66 low, guys, it's not going down, okay? It's not. That's the only thing you need to worry about is 66 pullback. That's it. The rest of the shit, don't even think about. You need 66 in your mind, 86 in your mind. Okay, either bounce off the 66 for a long, or go to the 86 and completely take off, right? Or it goes 66 short, okay? So if you draw three little lines on your chart and you place them at the points where I tell you to put them at, just three little lines is all you need. Three little lines, just mark every one of these little targets. Then that way you'll be able to see what I'm seeing, right? Okay, so right here, guys, what we're waiting for now is 90. So now they're going to try to structure it to 91, 92, 94. Now it's 94. Now it's 94 and a quarter, 96 and a quarter. Boom, now it's 98. See, look at that. Look at this. There we go. Can we give them to fill the 100? There we go. 104 now. Can we stay above 104? Hold 104, let's go. 104 to 107, let's go, come on. So while this is going on, what are the bears doing? Well, the bears are thinking, okay, fine, you guys want to take off, that's beautiful. We're good with that. But we're going to put our stops down here now. The bears are going to lower their stuff to 87. So now you got 87 and 107. There you go. 87,107 gone. Look at that. Taking off. Now you got to make sure you pass the 113. There you go. You're still holding. You're trying to get 113. I get this chart moving. Chart's moving so fast I can't see what the hell's going on here. I don't know why my chart is lagging. Come on. There we go. Sorry, guys. It's just so weird today. I don't know why. So basically now, guys, we got to break this. Okay. Hang on, let me get this thing down here where I can see what I'm doing. Okay, there we go. We got to be up here, guys, at 116 now is the top. The bears are all sitting down here at about 90. What is that? No. Bears at 96. 90. Yeah, 96. So bears are at 96. Bulls are at 116. 96 and 116, guys. 96, 116. I hope you guys like this. Sorry, Riz, I didn't mean to take over your room. I'm just in here helping out a little bit. I guess you guys can still hear me, right?
No, it's all good. It's all good. Yeah, we had called that bounce while you were away, so hopefully a few traders were in with us. You know, with the oversold conditions here through the intraday. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna hopefully continue with a nice afternoon bounce. So let's just see how long this takes us and how far up to the upside.
Yeah, let's do it. It's kind of cool because if we break the 116, 117 up here, I think she's going to take off again. 117, 118 up there. But right now, the bears will be concentrating right down here at about 96. The bears want the 96 short if they can get it. But if they can't get it, it's just going to bounce off 96 and go back. You got to watch 96, guys. 96 and 118, okay? That's the only two levels you need to worry about. 96 and 118. Put you a line at 96, put one at 118, you got it made. That's right, General. You can just come back and make some money back if you had a loss, guys. Now's the time to try to get it back, right? Because I'm definitely in here to try to get that to happen. So about 116, guys. That 116 level, if we can get that to move, I think that's where the bulls are going to try their breakout. But remember, 96, if it bounces back to 96, guys, and doesn't go short, that's a good place to take that long. They don't always work, but when bears fail, we always take those longs there at 96. 96 to 116, guys. There he goes, 116. Now, can we get this to run? Look at that. 116 to 119. So they're just still trying. They got to break the 19 now. You got to be up here 19, 19, 20. You got to get this 19 to still hold. You get 19 to 20 to hold. There he goes. Come on, let's go. 23 now. 23 has to hold, guys. 23 to 24. Okay, 24 has to hold to stay in. Let's go. You're still looking good. We're not pulling back very much. We're only pulling back a couple points. No big deal. 24, 25. Let's go. Let's get this 24, 25 area right here to break. If not, what happens, guys? The bears want to take it back. You know, and the bears want 10, what is that? 105 at the bottom, I think. Yeah, it's 105. 105 bottom, okay? 105 is the key here. I just can't get this mouse. It's crazy today. 125 is the move up. Let's go. 125. So they got the 125. They stopped, okay? As you guys can see, they just pulled that stop there at 125. 125 to 126. So 126. Now look at the bottom. The bottom's 108. So now the bottom's 108. So will they go short at 108 or will they bounce back off 108? Okay. Can we bounce back at 108? Now they're going short at 108. Now 108 is still structured until this comes into a major short. If it doesn't major short, like it's not right now, it's pulling back, right? So where are they going to pull back to? 108. Okay. So if they pull back to 108, we know the bulls are going to try to get this. Sounds like an auction. Thank you, Mr. Positive. So 108's perfect, guys. So 108's perfect and 126 is perfect. So 126 is your top target. 108 is that target where the bears are trying to short us. If they go into a bigger short here, we'll know because it'll stay down past all these other levels down here. You get down here like the 90 area, 89, 88 area. So if they get down to like the 88 area, man, this thing's going to seriously probably come apart. But see, it didn't. It's pulling back. It's going to go right back and gravitate toward the same level, guys. Right back to 108. I think these bears love this 108 level. I think it's actually going to be it could be 107, but I think the 8's better. This is knowing where people are playing at, knowing, you know exactly where they're sitting. There's no having to figure it out. It's right there in front of you, so it's kind of cool. I could do long term. We could do a lot of different things. Like I know 20 different ways to trade, but this is kind of cool if you really like just kind of watch it and know that 108, 107 is that key to going back. So you can go long at 107, 108, and now these bears might play here for a short a few times. So you just got to keep an eye on the 108. If it starts going long, and if it gets halfway, between there and 26. So 8 to 18 to 28 is what, 20 points. So you figure 26 is what, 18 points. So about half of that. So we'll just say 10 points. So we'll say the 8 till about the 18. Okay, midline's about the 18, guys. We want it to come up through here and trap that 18 and go past the 18 off the 8 and keep going. See how they pull back? But she's probably going to go the 18. 17 or 18 is a good place to be off of the 8. If you can't get to go past it, guys, just take profits there. Wait for the bears to come back in, play again, go back long. That's a good place to do it at. And the open, man, this is like stupid. I mean, I can show you I'll be showing you guys later in the open how you're going to jump on one of these and it's going to go 50, 60, 80 points down with just nothing, just a blink of an eye. And it's just you make money in seconds. It's just craziness. There we go. Let's go. Come on, we're past the 18. Come on, let's go. Let's go to that 26 up there. Anybody jumping on that 8 trade there? This is why she's done it. Getting that 8 long? Riz, you get the 8 long? Anybody?
Well, I never got stopped out.
Yeah, you're still sitting in it like me. So
Well,
good.
yeah, my entry is 25.048. That's about when I had mentioned it.
Yeah. Yeah. Right now, my entry was the first one I called, which was the 38. I'm still in from 38, so we're good. All right, guys. So 26, man. Let's go. 126. Almost got 100 points already. I only need 10 points for 100 points. Let's go. 100-point trade, guys, in less than, 20 minutes? Something like that. Pretty cool stuff. Papa's trying to speak. We're still trying to get it to go, guys. We're just still trying to wait for the 8 to come up and do the 26. Now, when this hits the 26 and keeps rolling, guys, the bears will move their bottom number on us. That's what we want them to do. We want to keep the bears chasing us. See, we're playing chase right now. As we go up, the bears chase us low. They put their lows down under us, about 10, 15, 20 points. We know this. So all we got to do is just figure out where they're sitting from where we need to be. Where's the bounce back level going to be? And where's our top at? That's it. We don't care about nothing else. Right now, we know it's still down here. The bears have now kind of moved they got 107 now. The bears are at 107, not 108. They only came up like they only reduced it one tick. 125, 126 is still the top, guys. So you're looking at 7 and 126 now. Can we get the 26 to stay with us and just move? See if we can get an explosion here at the 26, guys. Can we get that breakout? This is a good place to be too, because I'm looking at the charts. 25 and 26 are really good for a good move right here. There's good expansion here off 26. They can really run this. I mean, from what I'm looking at on my other charts over here, it's like, okay, if you move 26 on us, where can you go? Oh man, I gotta get something done about this lag. This is crazy. Looking at my charts. It looks like to me it's gonna be 58, man. It looks like 58 or 60 could be really good from this 26, guys. I mean, really good. It has potential. So now we hit the 26. Now it's 30, guys. So we got 26 to work. Now we just got to break 30, okay? We're just trying to get 26 to 30. Can 30 come in and take this out? Okay, so the bears are going to try to come back and pull it down, of course, as you guys know, because the bears probably moved up a little bit on us, which they did. So now the bear level is 110. 110 and 130, guys. Remember, 110 and 130, all you need to know. If we go down to 110, do the bears short us? Or does it bounce back off 110 and go back to 130? We need 130 to hold here. And we're still long in this, so we got to get 130. There it is. Now you're looking at 130, 130, 132, 133 here, okay? 133. We need 133 to just stay in here and get this. Let's see if we can get this 33 to hit, guys. You get 33 to hit, it's going to be taken off again, okay? So now you got the bears down here doing their thing again. Bears will be sitting right around this 13 area. Oh, no, excuse me. It's not going to be 13. It's going to be 12. So 12's the top, guys. 12 top. Or, excuse me, 12 bottom. 12 bottom. 12 is the bottom for the Bears. And the top's going to be 33. Okay? 33 and 12, guys. 33 high, 12 low. So 12 and 30. So you got 12 and 32, right? 20 points. 10 points, 24, or no, excuse me, yeah, so 24. So about the midline's about the 20, 24 level, between 20 and 24. See how the bears are coming off that short now at 12? Look at this, look at that, there you go, see this? Nice. They just took the short at 12 right there, but the problem is, they're gonna have to get down here under like 91, and there it goes, and now they gotta get past 86. If they get past 86, she's coming down, there he goes. Now the new bear level is gonna be about, what, 81, I think, down there at the bottom is what they're looking at for the short. Let's see, where is that short? Yeah, it's 81. I was right, it's 81. 81 short. Let's see if 81 takes it out, guys. So now that the bears coming in shorted this at 81, what does that do? It reduces our bull range, okay? So now our bull range is not 130 anymore, guys. It's 81 for the Bears and 101 for the Bulls. So now the Bulls only got to go back to 101 now to get this back. They don't got to go to 30 no more. 101 is the Bull level. See, watch. Watch the Bulls try to take it back to right back to 101 every single time. See that? Look at that. 101, boom. But can the Bulls hold the 101? If they can't, this is the Bears. The Bears are playing in this, guys, so be careful. The Bears do have this right now. But the Bulls need to get 101 to move. So see, if you know the Bears have it, you're not trying to long right now. You're just going to wait to see if the Bears will break the 101 for the long. If they can't push the 101, they won't get the long to work here. Okay? You have to have 101 long. And I would assume they would probably go 101 to about 112, guys. 113 area. If they hold the 113, then they're going to try to get to 30 again, 33 area. If they can't get to 12, 13, they will hold the 1 and go back. The Bears will bring them back down into that 101 area because the Bears want the 81 area to try to kill us. And here it comes. Can the Bears make 81 move? That's the question. Okay, and they just did. So it's coming down. There's 81, so we're going to come down here now to 78, 76, 76 now, right? 75, 74 area. See, didn't make it. So right now the Bears are going to need but the 74. And the Bulls need the 95. Okay? So Bears need 74, Bulls need 95. Bears short 74, guys. Now remember, 74 can also be the Bull long. But we'll see if the Bears want to break the 74 short here. Down to 71. There you go. Down to 68, 65. Now you got 65 low. See? Can they get past 65 and hold this? So we just went 81 to 65 on a short. Boom, just like that. Matter of seconds. But now we got to make sure the Bears hold this under 65 to make it work. If not, where are they going to go? They're going to go right back to where the Bulls are sitting, because the Bulls have lowered their levels now. The Bulls have lowered their levels to 84. The Bull level's 84. The Bear level's 65. Or you could just say 64. So we'll say 64 Bear, 84 Bull. You're looking at 84 levels, guys. Level 84 for the long, if she goes back long. If the Bulls get along. I don't know if they're going to, because this looks like it might come down more. But we shall see. Just a little pullback here. So if we get the 64 short here, can we make this thing run? Is the question. Come on, 64, let's go.
No contracts, no karma, just closure. So take a breath, say your thank
So
you.
it's 64 short now. Now it's 62 short. So 62 short, guys. They moved it down 2 points. They want to come off this 81 long here. So it's 81 for the Bulls now, 81, 82. Remember though, if you get to 81, guys, at 82, and she doesn't go long, what is she going to do? She's going to go short, right? You can use 81 short also to go back down to 62, right? Or you can use 81 as a long if it's going to work as a long. You just got to watch how she moves. There he goes, see? 81. See, it went like 5 points there. But the Bulls want to push this 81 up if they can. So see, they'll keep trying to work it. They want to get 81 long here. Even if they only get 10 points to 91, that's a perfect, 81 to 91, 10 points, one contract's good money. Take the 10 points, get out, and just wait for it to do it again. Because they're going to keep trying to push this, because now the Bulls are trying to establish a breakout. So right now it's 81 long. Now we're going to see if they come up here and clip this area about 95. They actually need like the 95 to push a little bit. It's not a level though. It's just part of it. There you go. Now they're going to need a little higher than that to keep going. Probably about the 101 again. Actually, yeah, it's 101 right there. So it's cool. Isn't that awesome? 81 to the 101. Just like that. Boom. Now she'll come right back where? 81. There it is. 81. See the 81 on your chart? Now what 81 don't go short, it might go like go long again. Or 81 might go short and try to get down. So this is what you gotta pay attention to 81. Watch 81 for the long. Watch 81 to see what she's gonna do here, guys. Look at 81 coming right back again for the second trade. Look at this. It's beautiful. Hope you guys are enjoying this. There she goes. Now the Bulls have this back, okay? The Bulls now have this back, guys. They're just waiting. They have got to come up here now, and they've got to get past this 103, I think it is. Let me see. That's 103. So the Bulls want to get 103. The Bears want to get under 82. So 82 now is where the Bears will be sitting. The Bulls are at 103. So watch 82. If 82 bounces, they're going to try to go back to 103. If 82 shorts, they're going to try to go to 62. So you got this 81, 82 playing right here, guys. It's perfect. 82 is beautiful. It's a beautiful level. Now see them doing 82 short? 10.72 right there. Now, can they get down to 62 with this? I doubt it, but they're going to try it. We're going to see. Because the Bears if the Bears flush this, it's going to be down here at 62. I can guarantee you that. They're going to come 82, 62 and try to flush it. Watch. Now remember, if it don't break the 62, what happens? Pull back. It's good, man. How you doing? So as you can see, guys, 62 is where the Bears are trying to go to with this. They come off 82 short. The Bulls are sitting 82, so the Bears short you at 82. Now, if they can get down to 62 for continuation, they want to run it past 62 short. But the Bulls will try to say no and keep it going back to 82 to try to go back long to 101. Look at this, right there, man. Just right there, almost back to 82 again. Isn't that beautiful? Can we get the Bulls to go long at 82, or the Bears going to keep doing 82 short? It's hilarious. Right now, there's a lot of buy pressure on this. There's a ton of buy pressure trying to come into this, but they're just not letting it happen. The Bears are being, like, mean about it. All right, let's go. 62. There it is. Boom. 62 now has to come down here, guys, to 60. Okay? You got to break 60. She's going to hold at 62. She's going to try to break 60. Now it's 59. Now it's 56. Now it's 54. Okay? So now we know 54 is the key. It might be lower than that. Let me look. Let's see. It's going to be 50. Yep, 54. That's what I thought it was. 54 and 74. Bulls are at 74 now. Bears are at 54. So the Bears have to come back down to 54 to make this work. They're still holding it. They're almost back to 62 again, though. That level's gone now, so now it's going to be 54 and under. You've got to break 54 to get money out of this. You have to. And there it is. Boom, there it is. 54 to 48. Come on, let's go 47. Come on. 47 to 45 would be really good here, guys. If we can get 47 to 45 would be really nice. Yep, 46 actually. So 46 low for the Bulls now. 65. So 46 low, 65 is the Bull area. Bulls are 65, Bears are 46. See, guys, I got 62 to 40, 62 to 46, just like that. Boom. 20 points, done. 20-point move. Now, we can get to break 46, we might go down to 26, but we'll see. But if we break 65, the Bulls might try to push this back. Too easy. It is easy. Can we break 65? There we go, 65, guys, right there. Boom. There's your bull level. Look at that. 65, 85. Look at that. Now it's going to be 86 north. See that little pullback at 20 points right there? Slam. Got it. So now what we're looking for is, can the Bulls keep this? But what we're going to have to do is adjust our levels again, because now we know the Bears are sitting at 68 and the Bulls are sitting up here just about the 80, what? 88? Yeah. So 65 to 88 was straight run up there. So now 65 low down there, or 68, excuse me. 68 low down there is where the Bears are sitting. Watch 68. See it? Now, if they don't break the 68 and hold this, what's going to happen is they're going to come back to it and the Bulls are going to go on again. So watch 68 level, guys. Watch the 68. Because 68 wants to go back to 88 and 68 wants to short for the bears, okay? You guys are working like 20-point moves today. Yeah, I haven't been on in a while. I've been busy working on a bunch of stuff. So 68, guys. 68. I'll be coming back in December though, guys. After Thanksgiving, you'll see me a lot. All right, so 68 low, guys. Can we get 68 to come down, right? We want 68 to fall here, but you can see she's being difficult, but she's trying to. There you go. Now, can we get this thing to come all the way back down to where we want it to be? And where do we want this to go to, guys? Off that 80, off that move there, 68. We want this to come down here to 45. We want 68 to 45 and slam it. So watch 68 and 45 now, because that's the two levels you got to worry about. If you get 45 low on this, off the 68, they're really going to try to take this thing down again. But if not, they're going to go right back to 68 and go long. There's only 3 levels you have to worry about when you're doing this. The mid, upper, and low. That's it. Nothing else matters. You can place your trades at one of these levels and just let it make money. Get out. You know, take 15, 20 points and get out. But sometimes in the mornings when we do this, you won't be taking 15 points. You'll be taking 75 and 80. And you're just done. I just took 100 and something points while ago. I mean, that's just simple. 68. Let's go. We ran all the way down from what? We came down from like 125, 126 down here again. So it's crazy. 45, guys. 68 to 45. That's the key. They got to get past 45, and they know it. If they don't break 45, it won't happen. But watch. Let's see if they do it. Let's just keep an eye on this thing and see if we get the 68-45 move. The Bears are trying to. They really are. They really want this. Come on, Bears. Break that 45. Let's go. There it is. Boom. Thank you. Now, come on. We got to get 43 to hold. 45 to 43, guys. If they can stay down under 43, they can hold this. You got to be at 43 to hold this. 45 is okay to be at. 42 now. 41. 41. Come on, 41. Just come back to 41. There you go. 39. Let's go. You're still shorting because the Bears still have it. The top of this is 59. They can't do it. Bulls can't do nothing until they cross 59. They can forget it. You got to have 59 in this. 41 and 59, guys. 41 and 59. So we get a past 59, the Bulls might try to grab this. But if not, the Bears are going to focus on 41. Right now, we're kind of pulling back a little bit. That's okay. We want this to stay under 41. 39 right there. Come on, let's go. Come on, there you go. Now it's 33. Now it's 30. Now it's 27. 25 now. 21. 20. 18. 16. 10. 8. 7. 4. 2. Boom. Look at that fall, guys. Who was in this? You just killed this shit if you were. You absolutely just tanked that right there and made some big ass money right there. Okay, so the Bulls are looking at what? 76 now? No, wait. Is that 76? No, sorry, guys. The Bulls are looking at 25. I can't see it. Sorry. 25 for Bulls, guys. So 25 is where the Bulls went to. But look where it came to, guys. It dropped from 68 up top, or 82 up top, 68 to all the way down to 2. We just dropped 66 points on that move. 66. Now the levels below are 2. The level high is 26. See the 26? Trying to make that move back up, right? So now you know 26 and 2 are the levels. Anybody get anything out of that? Anybody getting that and get those short? That was a nice short, guys. That 45 right there was beautiful. 45 call all the way down to 2. That's 43 points right there, guys. And this 26 is not looking too bad either. At 26 to 40 what? 26 to 39, 40 already? Can we get 26 to move though? Okay, now it's going to be 26. You got 26 coming back up here. Now your level is going to be about 44, 45. 45 is the new level now for the Bulls. They got to get 45 to hold, guys. See how we play these little games? I get it, you get it. I get it, you get it. Yep, 45 is the top, guys. Where's that low again? That low is now 25. Yeah, 25 low. 45 high, 25 low. 45 Bulls, 25 Bear. Can the Bulls break 25 and try to get something going here? I doubt it, but we're going to see. The Bears need 25 to go short, and the Bulls need that 45 to go long. Okay? They get 45 though. They can, you can run this back up a little bit on the pullback, but we'll see. This is taking advantage of areas where people are sitting, and all you're doing is just taking these trades and making 20, 30, 40 points and getting out. You got the 45. It's probably about 48 now. Yeah, it's 48 now. 48, 51. 48 to 51. Come on. 51, let's go. Let's get up there and hold the 51 if you can, guys. Come on. If they don't hold the 51, they're going to bring it back down again, but we'll see. Oh, there she goes. Now it's 51. Now it's 60. Oh. Let's see, now it's going to be 53, 55, 56. There's 56. So it's got to be 59 now. There you go. There's 59. Now it's going to be 63. 63 now. 66. So there you go, 66. We're waiting for 66 to hit, guys. If we hit it, can we hold it? Just give it a second. We're still trying. Okay, we're still trying to hit this. 66, come on, 66, let's go. If you got your stops around, half of this or whatever, you would be better off just to say, okay, well, what's going to happen with the lows down here, okay? Now, if you already know where the Bears are sitting at, you can make adjustments. The Bears are at 40. The Bears are going to be sitting, guys, at 47. The Bulls are at 66, right? So if the Bulls are at 66 trying to make this work, you put your stops at 60, right? And give it a chance. Just give it a chance. If it goes up to 65, you go to 66, only gets 3 or 4 points and pulls back, take it. Because if you get down here to 47, it's going to be problems. It's either going to bounce off 47 and go back, or the Bears are going to try to take it again. Watch the 47 marker, guys. 47 and 66. So what does that tell you? That's almost 20 points. So we'll divide it. So that means 57. Anything above 57, 58, the Bulls are going to try to hold, right? That's the midline. The Bulls always want to hold the midline in the trade. They always try to get back to the midline. So you got 47, 57, 66. Or you could say just 47, 57, 66. However you want to do it. But that's where I would have my stops. If I was going to go long, anything above 57, 58, if I was going to take a long at 57, I'd want to get back to 66 to take that money. And if it breaks out, I'd just hold it. But there's always a way to capitalize there. And you can always take the 47 to the 57, right? See if that works. See? There goes 47 to 57 right there. Now, will she hold 57? Nope, didn't hold, see? There's that 10-point move in there you can always get if you take that trade off that bottom. Now, can we go to 66 and break out? Let's go. Come on, guys. Break it out at 66. 67, 68, 69, 69 now. 70, guys. 71, 72. Give me 72 now. It's amazing. So now it's 73 actually. But see, where are they trying to scale this at? They know now, guys, that their entry's 54 bears. So if they go back down to 54 and redo it, they need 74 here. 74, guys. It is fun, isn't it? 74. So if you can get 74 to work, remember, if it pulls back to 54, guys, and don't break the 54 and starts to go back long, they're going to try to push this 54 back to 74. So remember that bottom numbers, just because I say it's a bear level, it's great for pullback trades to the top. And that's what a lot of these guys have done. They're letting it come all the way back down and restructuring it to go back up. So you just got to watch the 54. See that right there? There's that 54. Now, will she hold or will she go right back up top? Because the bulls want 54 to 74. See? There they go. They're trying to get 54 long right there. But can they break that? So 54 and 74 is 20 points. 64 is the middle. You've got to be above 64 to hold this, right? So you would tell yourself, I get it at 54, I go into 64. Okay, if it breaks 64, I hold. If it don't, gets pedals back to 63, I'm out. 9 points, take it. Because you can always do it again. It's like the bull bear flash sale. They're just giving us everything we want. They're just handing it to us. Okay, so 54 again, guys. Will 54 pretend to go down this time? Maybe she might. There's she trying to come down a little bit. See, all they're doing is structuring down low here. If the bulls are going to run this market, they got to let the bears, they got to fake these shorts. Okay, you got to fake these shorts at 54, pull all these guys in with their money and then take them long. Okay, you want to get all this money built up in these shorts to go back long with them. So if we can get 54 to hold, guys, boom, blast off, right? That's right. They're not scared yet. You got to really scare them out of the markets. So see how 54 went long again, guys? Look at this. Now, can we cross 64 and hold? Right there, we just crossed 64 to hold. But can we get back to the 71, 73 up there? 74. We got to get to 74 on this. I would say pretty much probably 75, actually, but we'll see. We know 54 is the short, and we know 74 is that continuation long. But 54 is also an entry for the bulls if the bears don't take it. See, look, we're back down here again. Trying to come back to 54 all over again. There it is, 54. Now, will they hold it? Or will the bulls take it right back up again off 54? It's kind of hard to see this on a chart, isn't it? You don't see this. I've taught myself how to do this, guys. This is manually taught. I'm doing all the crazy stuff I do in the markets. I just come up with this like a month ago. But it's beautiful. Way to go, RQ. See, you're starting to follow it, aren't you? See that 54 short there, guys? Now, we know this 54 short is probably not going to work. So look at this. You're going to go right back to 54, probably go long again. But we're going to see, because right now the bears have got to get down here. They got to get down to like 30-something. I think it's like going to be like maybe the 40 even or something like that. Maybe 40, 42. Because it's not going to work unless they're down there. Right now they're just bouncing off the old wicks that they had before. Right back to 54 long. Look at that. Right back to 54, guys. So let's just see if 54 holds to try to be a long again. And you only need three lines on your chart. The middle line, the top line, and the bottom line. 54 is your top. 54, excuse me, is your bear line on the bottom. 64 will be your mid. 74 is your top. That's all you need. You can make your adjustments when you need to, and you can go short and long. So see how the bears are trying to get to 40, guys? They got to get 40. There it is. They had to break 40 right here. They got to get 40 to establish a move 39 and 40, you've got to have. If you can't get 40, you're not going to get this. Okay, now they got it. So now the Bears are going to try to get down to about 33, guys. They got to have 33, 32. Well, they might be a little lower than that. Where's my mouse is moving there. Yep, Bulls are got 30, 32. Or excuse me, Bears. Bears at 32, Bulls 51. 52, I'd say. Let's say 52 Bulls, guys, 32 Bears. So now the Bulls are at 52, the Bears are at 32. Can we break 32 short? 32, guys. You're looking for 32 rebound or 32 short with Bears. Okay? Continuation is 52 for Bulls. So just think about that. Put that in your mind. 32 is either going to be the short or going to be the pullback to go back to 52 where the Bulls are sitting. Oh, I think I know why I got the problem, guys. I think those guys, when they done my room, forgot to plug my internet back into my computer. I think it's on wireless right now, and I bet you that's the problem. I just seen the cord. I'm thinking, wait a minute, man. No wonder I'm having lag. It's all right, though. So, guys, we went past that. Now, can we get down here? Come on, let's get 32. 32 to 30. 27 now, guys. 27. Got to break 27 here. Bears got to have 27 low. There we go, 27. She's right there at it. Oh, not getting it. Okay, so you got 27 low now for Bears. These Bulls are definitely sitting up here where? Right there at the 46. 46 Bulls, guys. Long 46 Bulls. That's what they're looking at. They want to try to see if they can break the 46. Remember, 46 could also be that short coming back for Bears, but right now the Bulls are trying to long this 46. And look at that. Look at that. Beautiful 46 move there. Come on, Bulls. Push it on up through there. Can the Bulls come up here, guys? The ultimate target for the Bulls off of 46 is where? 74. Remember 74? They want that 74 off that 46, guys. If they can get 74 to break, they're going to go higher. So now you got the 46 long hanging out up there, trying to get back to 74. But now where are the Bears sitting? Bears are going to be sitting at 53. 53 Bears, 74 Bulls. There he goes, finally. There you go. All right, guys. 74 Bulls. Can we get them to hold this? Come on, Bulls. Let's go. 74. So Nacho, did you make some money off the RQ or one of you guys I think posted earlier? 74 made the $1,000. That's great. If you guys will just listen to these numbers, 54. Well, it's gonna be 65 now. Bears dropped to 65, guys. Now their level 65. So will the Bears put their level at 65 is the question, and they did. Nope. Now the Bears have moved it lower. They want 55. So Bears are now moved to 55, guys, and the Bulls are still at 76. So it's going to be 55 and 76 now. So Bears are looking at 55 to go short, but the Bulls are looking at 55 to go back. Okay? Can 55 rebound again here? Can we get the long off 55 to work, or will the Bears take it short? 55 is the key. That's right. 55 is the key, man. See how they got 55 long here? They're going to try to see if they can get 55 to 65. If you can hold 65, it's a good thing. If you can't hold 65, guys, just try to take the 10 points. But if you can hold 65, we want this to push from 65 to 74 off the midline. The midline trade is right there at 65. 65 to 75 is 10 points. That's the midline. 55 is the low down there. That's where the Bears are sitting. $74, $75, we're right there. Let's go. We just hit it. We hit 75.75 early. But they're still going to play, guys. They're going to play a little bit. So now you got 56 down there. 56 and 76. 56 and 76, guys. Move your two lines to 56 and 76. Put your middle line at 66. There you go. Come on, 76. Let's go. We just got to get the 76 to hold, guys. You got to get it to work. They need it to push. These Bulls could be building something here. We'll see. There it is. Boom. Now it's 79. Come on. Come on, guys. Go back up to the 79. Let's go. 79 top. Let's go. Right here at 79 and 80. We need 79 and 80. Just say 80, guys. 80 would be perfect for us to push this. So that means if 80 is a bull level, that means 60 now is the bear level. So 60 is the bear level, your midline 70. So 60, 70, 80. That's kind of nice. Worked out pretty good there. If we don't break the 60 and come back down to it, guys, you know she's going to try to go long again at 60, okay? 60 to 80. That's what they're looking at. These are small little pullbacks in the market that we're capitalizing on. And we're waiting to see if they're going to break this thing seriously low on a big move, or they're going to take this thing up and try to run this. And if they do, we're going to catch it. If we catch it at one of these levels, on either one of these, on a big bear short or a bull move, we're going to make a serious turn here. Come on, 60. $60 and $80. Does everybody understand the concept that we're doing? Hope you do. It's not that hard to figure out, guys. If you just move your three little lines. Put one at 80, one at 70, one at 60. And you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. If we break the 80, we're expected to keep going. If we go to 60 and don't break it, we go along to 60 back to 80. If we do break 60, we go short at 60 with the bears and keep going down. See? See how she's trying to come back to 60 here? Right there. See it? Getting close, but no, didn't work. They didn't get down there, right? They're getting close to it, but they stay away from it. This is how they take money from people. Thank you, Coach Matt. I appreciate it, brother. Those 60 guys, if you can get 60 to work on the long side, it bounces 60 and goes back up. That's beautiful. If you can get 60 to fall down short, that's also beautiful. Right now, the Bulls just have this, but 60 is the problem. 60 is where the Bears always want to try to get you. But 60 is also the place where the Bulls are like, okay, we'll take it. Let us have it. Come on. Let's go. Just bounce off 60 and go back to 70. We'll take that too. 70 is the midline, guys. You got to hold 70 and go up. See how they come to 70 and stop? Because they know it's the midline. They love playing. It's got some craziness, but it's trying to go sideways a little bit here. But let's see. If we can just get to 80 and push it some, it'd be nice. I don't know why this thing keeps doing this for me over here. I got some kind of thing saying, hey, your thing is freaking out. So we need 80. We still gotta get this 80 to work. Can we get 80 to work, guys? Can we get 60 to go short or 60 to bounce off again? If it comes down to 60, 61, guys, and it doesn't break it, it's going to go back long, okay? Because they keep playing right here. I love seeing these levels like this. It's just amazing. See that 60 right there? Look at that. So what the Bears are trying to do is they want to come down here now and try to get lower than the 48 here. They know 60 goes to 48, but they got to break 48. It's not a level, though. It's just something I know. You got to be coming past 48 to make this work. See how it revolts back to 48 every time almost? You got to be under that. And you got to come down here because I can tell you where the Bears are trying to go to. The Bears want to run this all the way down to where? They want to run this back down here to 26. Okay? So now the Bulls let the Bears take this down here. Now the Bear level on this, as we speak now, will be the 40, 39. Well, just say 40. It's 40. And the Bull level of this is going to be right here at the gap at 56, I do believe. 50, was that 56? No, it's 60. 60 now is the Bull level. So see, now 60 is where the Bulls want to take it to. The Bulls want to go back at 60 and go try to go up. Well, if I do long-term stuff, I can give my long-term levels, but I'm not doing the long-term levels right now. I've got them up here in front of me. I just ain't looking at them. So see how 60 comes in, guys? Look, there's that 60 long right there, but can the Bulls take 60 long or will the Bears take it back short at 60? So right now, guys, you got 60 long and 40 short, okay? Or you got 60 short back to 40. So if they go 60 short, they want to get to 40 with this, guys. Can they get 60 to go long again is the question. See how they're playing between 60 and 40 here? They got to get 40 short. There it is. So you got to get 40 short to come to 38 now. You got to take 38. You got to take 34 here. Okay? See, that's why they're using that 60 short to get down to 38. They need 36 now, 34 now. They break 34, they're going to try to push it lower. 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 28, 26, 25, 24, 23 now. See, 23 is the bottom. You got to break 23 to hold this. 23, right? Now you got to be a little lower than that. Down here about 20. 20, 21. 21 short right there. Let's go. If we can get 21 to work, 21's where the Bears are sitting now. Okay, 21. Can they hold 21 and keep going? 68 to 21 is a good move. Look at that. Keep it on going. Let's go. 21-18, down to 17. Now we're down to 16, guys. Can we get 16 to 15 to work? From 21. Let's go. The bottom is about 15 down here, 16. So we're going to wait and see. I'll go mark it real fast to make sure. Yep, it's 15. The Bulls is 35. So Bulls are 35 now. Bears are 16. Watch the 35-16, guys. 35 and 16 are the keys to this. Will the Bulls go long at 35, or will they fake it long and go 35 short back to 16? Right? Because you know that's where the targets are. Your 35 target is either going to be a bull move up, or it's going to be a fake bull move, come back for a bear move, and go right back down to 16. Remember, though, 35 and 16, 16, 26, 36, right? So you would probably put that somewhere in that area in the middle, but right now 35 is trying to run a little bit, so we'll get 35 to 45 right here. See how the Bulls took it back for like a 10-point move here, guys? But remember, their level's still 35. They can do this over and over and over, but they got to maintain 35 and hold, not just run up 10 points and quit. It's going to have to hold 35, run 15, 20 points to get its ass back over where it needs to be. So we need this thing to hold 35 and roll. If not, you're going to see 35 come back down. The Bears might take 35 short and go all the way back to 16 with it, okay? So remember, 35 is your key level right here. Could be a short, could be a long. Just depends on which one's going to grab this. Who wants it more? Who wants it more? I think if the Bears could actually establish the 34 to 31 down here and get down here on these bottoms at this, get down here to 2. I think if the Bears ever get to 2, man, this is really going to come unglued down there, but we'll see. Let's go. You're 35 to 25. Let's go. See? Watch them come right back, guys. 35. Just think in your mind, if I can get 10 points a trade off the 35 to 25, just take the 10 points, guys. If she keeps going, stay in. If she don't, get out. 10 points is 10 points. $35 long or 35 short. That's right. 10 points is 10 points, bro. So let's go. Like this one here, 35 to 45 is 10 points. If it gets to 45, take it. If it don't hold, take it. If it breaks it, great, stay in. Just use your judgment on it. Like, okay, it's 41 right now. It's bouncing back a little bit here. 41 again, right? 44. There's 44. There's your 45 marker right there. There's your 49. See that? Now you got more than 10 points. That's 52. Well, it's going to try to break 52. If it don't break 52, it's done. See? See what I mean? You always know that top level is going to have to break to make that work. So see, you got that 35 to 52 right there. Perfect. Almost 20 points. Now it's doing it again. It went right back down there again and going to try it again. They need to break they got to come up off the 35, break the 52. I really think as long as they hold that 48, it'll happen. 46. If you hold 46, 47, this can happen, guys. What? Now, the only reason I'm telling you this is because there's a wick in the way. So we know that wick's sitting there. See, there it goes. There's a 35 again. Now, will the Bears will the Bears let the Bulls do it again? Or are the Bears going to take the 35 short and go down to 16 again? Watch. So if you got 35 long, 16 short down there, then you know that 25, 26 is the midline. So Bears need to go from 35 to 25, 10 points, try to hold that. The Bulls need to go from 35 to 45 and try to hold theirs, okay? And all you got to do when I trade with you, I start coming on you guys in the first around the 1st December, because I got some stuff going on. I'm having surgery Wednesday next week, guys. So I'll be out for a week. Then I got Thanksgiving, and then after that, we'll be good. Yeah, it's just something minor. It's no big deal, but I'm going to be out for a couple of days. So then it rolls into Thanksgiving. And after that, guys, around the first month of December, I'll be back here with you guys a lot more. I've already got my streams working. I've got my room set up and everything for it. So I'll be back on 9 to 11s again with you guys. So 35, man, we got to get this thing to work. They just keep playing. I'll probably call in trades under my anesthesia. Go long, 37. Doctor will be like, what? So will 35 go back short, guys, or is it going to hold this long here? See what they're doing? They're playing right here. This is the way to take money. Can the bulls hold the 35 long? And maybe they can break the 35 to like 48 here. I want to see 35, 48, and then I want to see 46. 46, I think, is key. If we get them to hold the 46 here, we should go up. And there it goes. They got to get the 46. See, it comes right back to 46 every time. 46 is the key, man. You got to get 35, 46. And I know what these bulls are thinking here. They're thinking what I'm thinking. They need to push this on up through here about the 61, and then really get going at the 61 again, and then push it all the way to the 80. So now, guys, if you're in 35, you just got to wait till it hit 55. 55 is the new level. 35 to 55. We got it. 35 is not the level no more. Okay? 35 is not the level no more. 55 and up, guys. There she goes. 55. 41 is the bear level. Actually, it's 42 is the bear level. 42 is the bear level. Okay, so bear level is, well, I think it's higher than that. Yeah, we'll say 43 is the bear level. 43 is the bear level, guys. And now the bull level is going to be 62. So see, we got 62 out of that. 62, guys. We got to break it. See how they come off the bottom there and come right back to 62 almost? They need to break this 62 to go up. And 62 is a good place for them to structure this. Really good place. They've structured it there 1, 2, 3, 4 times already. So it's kind of cool. 62, let's roll. So 62, let's go to 65, 65, 67, 68 now. Let's say we're still trying to push it up a little bit here. Got the 62 to 67 going. Can we push it on up? Come on, guys, push it. Come on, don't be shy. Let's go. 68, come on. It's crazy. About 67, 68, guys, and they're gonna do the same thing again. Your bull level is now up the top up there. Your bear level is now 48. 48, okay? And your bull level is 68. Now your bull level is going to move to 71, okay? They're just trying to get 71 to hold here. Now it's 72. Now it's 74, okay? So we stay in this, 74 to 75, 75 to 76, 78. Look at that. Look at that. 80, 81 to 82, 84, 88, 89, 89 to 90. 90 now, 91, 91's the key. Isn't that some shit right there, guys? Let's kill this thing. 91, let's go 91, push it, back to 91 and let's fly. Can we fly at 91? It's 91, guys. The bear bounce either going to be back up again, will be 72. The bears are at 72, guys. 72, let's say 72 and 92, okay? 72, 92. If the bears don't break 72, guess what? Bulls are going to try this again, probably. But just think about what we just did, guys. We came all the way back down here off of this 35 all the way to 90, all the way to 90, to 91, 92 up there. Isn't that awesome? Anybody take that 35, 92 trade right there? And that's just a massive trade. Now see how you got the 75 working here for us, guys? You see how these bears are playing right here at the 70, like, what did I say, 72? 72? See, look, they're playing here at the 72, but if the Bears don't get 72, the Bulls will take it. So 72 to 92 is 20 points. 82 is the midline. So look at the 72 low, or a bounce. Midline's 82 for profits. Continuation's 82 to 92. 92 is the breakout, okay? We would really like to see them take this 72 long, go back to 82, hold that shit, go back to 92 and just break this thing out big time. But right now, they're just playing. If you guys seen a 15-minute chart, you'd see all these little candles sideways. We're making money in a sideways market, guys. We're actually destroying a sideways market. You're trading in a sideways market. You're trading in contraction right now. We haven't got expansion, but we could, but we'll see. Anybody take some trades there? Anybody get any of this? I guess I'm still on here. You guys still hear me, right? Coach Matt, you still with us?
Yeah, we can still hear you, Coach Mike.
Good deal, bro. I like this, man. You just got 3 levels, 72, 82, 92, you know? 72 either goes up, back up to 92, or 82, 92, or 72 goes short. The Bears might try to short it, fake it out, come back to 72 and run it again. It's just absolutely beautiful to see this. And grabbing 30, 40 points is a matter of just minutes. It's like we just grabbed from 15, from 330, well no, let's see. In 3 minutes, guys, we grabbed about almost over 30 points in 3 minutes. That's not bad. And standard consistency. Yeah. You get one of these big trades, your consistency's going to go out the window. So 92, guys, let's go. We've got the 72, trying to revert back to 82 to hold. And we really want to get that 92 to go, to stay with us and just keep going. You want 92 long here. But if you're in 72 long, you're doing good. Because you see how she pulled back with the Bears and failed. So we go 72 long. And we wait and see if we can break 92. And my rule is, if I'm 10 points above, I hold it. So 92, guys. Now it's 94. No, still 92, sorry. Now it's 94. Now it's 95. Can we hold 94, 95 right here? That's all we got to do is hold 94, 95. And we look down here and we see the Bears. We're now at 79. Now it's 97, guys. Hold 97, 98. Just got to hold these 97, 98 levels right here. We can hold 98. We're going to go again. There it is. Now we got to hold 101, 102, 104. Oh, look at that. Woo, son. You shot all the way up here. We just shot all the way to 120 off of 72, guys. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? And we're not done yet, though. She breaks 120. We're just going to keep going, guys. 120, man. We got to have it. My stops are going to be down there at 110. Okay. I'm at 120. Stops her at 110. Let's go. Oop. Just got killed. Stopped out. But see, that's perfect. That's how you do this. I just took all that massive profit off of 72 to 110. That's beautiful. It don't take no effort. Okay, so where are the bears now, guys? They've changed things up on us. So the bears are down here now at 100. And the bulls are at 120. Okay? So 100 is the bears, 120 is the bulls. So remember, if it don't break the 100, what are they going to try to do? Bring it back for that long, right? So we can always go 100 long, and we'd like to see the 100 go to 110. 110 will be the holding area. You guys like that move? Anybody see that move? It was awesome, wasn't it? Just shot right up. See, I'm at one. I just got my 10 points back right there. I'm at 110 right here, off of that 101. So that 10-point stop I just took out, guess what? Just got it back. Covered it. You cried a little. It's cool. So 100, guys, is the bears. Watch and see if they try to come back short on a pullback. That's what this is. And always watch that 100, because if the bears don't make this work, guys, if they don't get 10 points out of this, it ain't going down. It's going to come right back to 100 and go long again. And that's what we're counting on. We don't want these bears getting this. We want to stay at 100 long. Because we want to push it back to 120 off this, or at least 110, okay? So we're just doing 10-point targets and 20-point targets right now, because it's that time of day. During bigger days, we'll do 50 to 75-point targets, 100-point targets, stuff like that. So we know we have bigger, wider ranges because, you know, it's the open and stuff. See how she's going to 100 again? Already passed my 110 again. Got those 10 points already. There's 20 points I've already made. 2 trades, 20 points. Boom. Just wait around and see if she holds it. As long as she stays above the 10 there, we're good. There we go. Now, can we break the 20 for a move? Continuation move. There it is, guys. There's your 20 right there. We're right there at it. Let's go. Push it. Come on, boys. Let's go. 2021. There you go. 24, 26 now. Now we got to have 26, guys. We're looking for 26 to keep moving. Come on, 26. Stay with us. Don't give up. Let's go. 27, 28. Oh, 35, 40. Wow, check it out. That's beautiful. All the way up, guys, to 38. Off the 101. Imagine that, right? 38-point move. Now the bears are sitting at 18 now, guys. 18. 18 bears. 18 to 38, guys. 38's your top, 18's your bottom. Can we get 18 to go to 28 and hold? 18, 28's our trade. If we break 28, we hold. 38, we break out, right? Can we get this 38? Because we're still in this. We're still hanging into this, guys. We took this trade at 101. Let's go. Push it on up there again. 38's the breakout. Let's roll. Now, see, the bears will sit at 38 with the bulls, but the bulls want that 38 continuation. So the bears try to say, well, if we can get under 28, we can probably take it back from them. And that's why I tell you guys it's that 10-point area that you always look into. 38, let's go, guys. Can we push 38 up? $38. We're still doing good, though. We're still 34. As long as we hold the 28, we're fine. Gotta get it to run, guys. I want 38 to keep going here. There we go. 38. Now it's 41. 41, guys. 42. Could be 45 now. 38, 45. You got to get that 45 to work. All we want to do is wait around and see if we can get 45 to work. Because now we know where we can put our stops. We're already in this for the 100, guys. We know that the Bears are 125 now. Okay. Bears are 125. The Bulls are 145. So 125 is where we look and say, well, if it goes short there, we might get out. Right? We don't mind taking those points. But we'll wait, because so far the Bears have went short at their levels, but they don't hold. So 25 is that Bear level. See it? See it coming off 25 going back up again? I love when a plan comes together. It's like Christmas in November. What do you think, Coach Matt? Christmas in November? Oh, mercy. Is he still in here? I guess he is. It's just not October. You know, it's just not August either, blood month. All right, 25, guys. Can 25 go back as a rebound? Remember, Bears are sitting there, but the Bulls want it back. 25 could be their long, back to 35, which goes back to 45. Always remember your Bear level, if it don't short, can be your long, okay? Your 25 is your Bear level here. Watch 25 and see what happens. The Bears will go under it just to play dumb little games to get people's money. But eventually they'll come back to it. The Bulls are like, okay, thank you. Because the Bulls want them to short, so they can grab their money and take it and go along with it. The more money coming short, guys, the better off going long. The more money you gather up in these shorts, the stronger the move is going north. So we let them have it. We don't care if they take it from 25 to 20 or 25 to 15 even. I would say 15 is a good place to be on a short off that 25. But no more than that right now. I wouldn't go no more than 15 on this unless it breaks the 15 down. She breaks the 15, gets the 10. Oh, 10, there you go, 10. Now she's got the 5, guys. If she breaks the 4, she's going to come lower. Now she breaks the 100, she's going to come lower again. Okay? Because now things have restructured. The Bears are trying to play in this. Okay? So the Bull level drops to 128. Oh, no, it's not 120, I don't think. So the Bulls now got to chase the Bears. The Bulls level is 120. Okay? The Bear level is going to be 100. So it's 120, 100 again. 100 Bulls, or excuse me, 120 Bulls, 100 Bears. Okay? So 120 is the Bulls, the 100 is the Bears. So can the Bulls go back to 120 and push it back again? We'll see. Look at that. 20. It's just craziness. See, the Bulls got a goal to go from 20 back to 45, guys. That's what they want to do. They want to go 20 to 45. But the Bears want to go 120 down to 100 and break out down there. See? So she comes back right there to that 120 area for those Bears. The Bears love that 120. They want to try to take it right back down to 110, which goes to 100. So if you can get the 110 off the Bear move, that's perfect. I would probably take those 10 points and get out. But if not, I would wait for it to rebound off that 120 long and see if I can get that to work for the Bulls. But right now, the Bears are playing in it. But it's only just a pullback. This is just a pullback of something better to happen here. If the Bulls can hold this 120, they will take this, guys. They will take it. And remember, 120 to 145, okay? So you're looking at about 120 to about 130, 135 area. So I would go 20 to 30, maybe hold 30 if I can get 35. Pulls back 35 to 30, take it. It goes to 45, hold it for the long, for the breakout. Okay? I'm trying to develop a chart for this, guys. Because if I ever get a chart developed for this, you guys will be in great, just absolutely wonderful condition. In a great condition. Because if I can get to plot the lines every time, man, you just got to go off 3 lines all day long. 3-line trading system. That's all it is. That's all you need. 3 lines on your chart. Nothing else. Remember, this is in my head, guys, so I'll have to break it down to make it work. But I come up with some crazy things sometimes. But I'm always looking at math. To me, math is important in trading. All right, 120, let's go. You can ask Coach Matt. My brain never stops. My wife says that all the time. I'm always looking for an edge. Always. Whatever I can do to make my trading better. Okay, let's go. 120, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Coach Matt. So 120, guys.